Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your text larger or smaller on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So if you're having difficulties reading the text on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, then let me show you how to change this. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up settings. Next, scroll down until you see wallpaper and personalization. From here, find fonts. And now from here, you can go ahead and choose all the different fonts. You can go ahead and visit the Xiaomi store to find fonts. At the bottom here, you can go ahead and make it larger or smaller, up to you. You can even make it bolder or less bold. Press back and then press home. Just give it a few minutes and your Redmi Note 14 Pro will refresh and will show you the new font. So there you go guys, that is how to change the font on your Redmi Note 14 Pro mobile phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.